Hi there, what's going on? It's Meenakshi Sharma from Welcome Canada. Today I will be breaking down how to check the application status for permanent residence application. If you get benefits from my content, so please subscribe my channel, give me more motivation to solve your queries related to Canada. Those my sweet viewers have strong knowledge related to Canada visa, so they can skip this video and watch the another videos related to Canada. ये वीडियो उन सभी व्यूवर्स के लिए है जिन्होंने किसी भी पेपर बेस्ड पीएनपी एप्लीकेशन में पीआर परमानेंट रेजिडेंसी के लिए अप्लाई कर रहा है या नॉन एक्सप्रेस एंट्री ऑनलाइन के लिए अप्लाई कर रखा है और जिनके पास अपना जीसीके अकाउंट नहीं है बट दे जस्ट वांट टू नो देयर एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस सो दे कैन चेक वाया एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस और ई-कैश स्टेटस that will be daily updated on Canada official website. डियर व्यूवर्स, जब आप अपनी डिटेल्स को सबमिट कर देते हो तो आपके पास एक पेज ओपन हो जाता है जिस पर लिखा होता है कि स्टेप 1 वी रिसीव्ड योर एप्लीकेशन फॉर परमानेंट रेजिडेंस ऑन दैट डेट. Second, we started processing your application on that date. Third, we sent you correspondence on that date. If you haven't yet provided the information or the requested documents, please do so as soon as possible, right? स्टार्ट करते हैं कि हमें चेक कैसे करना है. ठीक है जी, तो आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप चेक योर एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस में डिटेल्स को फिल करने हैं. व्हाट डिड यू अप्लाई फॉर, तो यू कैन पुट द इमिग्रेशन एंड देन कंटिन्यू. Then there is a list related to permanent residency applications, different kinds shown on the screen. And how can you check your application status? For paper based application you can use the client application status tool, right? Then follow all these conditions. Click I have read, understood and agree the terms and conditions related to application status. Then you can fill your details, identification type like your UCI code or your client ID number. Then you can put the identification number, then your surname, family name, then date of birth, then place of birth, in which country you belong, like in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, China, Thailand, Philippines, then continue. If you put all details here, then the page related to your application status right in front of you, in which all the information related to your permanent residency application will be shown in front of you, right? Now move forward the steps related to permanent residency application. Those applicants applied from outside Canada, right? Steps related to permanent residence application outside Canada. If status of application shows in process, that means application received by IRCC, documentation verified by IRCC, and interview may be required by IRCC. If the decision made is shown on your application status, that means medical results received by IRCC, approval status determined by IRCC, permanent residence status determined by IRCC. If it shows complete on your application status, then my sweet viewers, it means applicant arrive in Canada, is granted to be permanent residents of Canada, and you will need to meet with an immigration officer who will verify your documents and grant your permanent residency if all is in order. Congratulations. Then we will discuss steps related to application for permanent residency in Canada. Those who applied inland in Canada. If your application shows in process, that means application received by IRCC, documentation verified by IRCC, medical results received by IRCC. If decision made shown on your application, those who applied inland Canada, that means an interview may be required. The sponsorship or in Canada application for permanent residency status determined, permanent residence status determined, If it shows complete on your application status, that means applicant arrives in Canada and is granted permanent residence. You will need to meet with an immigration officer who will verify your document and grant your PR if all is in order. Congratulations! Now my dear friends, we will discuss the application for PR Federal Skilled Worker submitted to the Centralized Intake Office CIO Sydney, Nova Scotia, Canada. The steps should be taken for your application like that. One thing keep in mind that if your status of application shows application received, that means application received by IRCC. Then Central Intake Office Sydney eligibility review complete. The review at the CIO Sydney has been completed. A letter with additional information has been mailed. Received by Visa Office. The application and documents have been received by the Visa Office. Visa Office eligibility review complete. The review of the application and the supporting documents has been completed at the Visa Office. A letter with additional information has been mailed. Right? ऐसा है कि विड्रॉन शोज तो कोई भी नहीं चाहेगा कि हमारी एप्लीकेशन शो में आए. तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज द इन प्रोसेस. इफ द एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस शोज इन प्रोसेस, दैट मीन्स your application based on a review of your complete application package, it has been determined that your application is eligible for processing has begun. सब इसी की तो वेट करते हैं कि हमारे एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस में डिसीजन मेड कब लिखा आएगा जी, डीएम कब आएगी जी हमारे एप्लीकेशन में. हमारे एप्लीकेशन में डीएम आ गई तो बल्ले बल्ले हो जाती है. So if it shows decision made on your application, that means the medical result received by IRCC, approval status determined, permanent residence status determined, and the if application complete shows on your application ECAS status, that means the applicant arrive in Canada and is granted to be permanent residence. Congratulations for completion of your application. You will need to meet with an immigration office who will be verified your documents and grant your PR if all is in order, right? नेक्स्ट एसेंशियल स्टेप आता है जी लॉग आउट करने का. इफ़ यू वांट टू चेक योर एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस राइट नाउ, द स्टेटस शोन लाइक दैट क्लाइंट एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस, वी रिसीव्ड योर एप्लीकेशन, we verified your documents, then you must log out on this page, right? It's all purpose for your security reasons. You have to secure your application status. Thanks for watching this video. If you like with this video, then subscribe my channel, give me more motivation, share my channel, like it more and give me the subscriber more. Okay, bye.